Free tip Friday in the shop. So hey, you got this. You got a dowel, right? It's in between. This is too small. This is too big. What do you do when you really need a dowel? Well, what helps is having something that's a gauge to tell you, something that tells you what you need to be, and then put your dowel into a corded drill. Turn your drill on low. You want to, whatever you want to do. I'm reversing the drill. It's going counterclockwise, and I'm going to hold my paper on this side. And you're just doing this until you get to the size you need. This is just some 100 grit paper. Really simple. I mean, you're just working it back and forth. This is what you do when you don't have a lathe and you need a dowel a certain size. Some 100 grit, 80 grit thick paper, 40 grit, depends how much you're using. You need to lose. I needed to lose a lot. I started with a 3/8 dowel, and I got to get down to 19/64. So I got to get a lot. And then, eventually you'll be able to put your gauge on and see how you're fitting. And boom, you got a dowel the size you need. Be well, be blessed, be safe on your job site or in your shop. See ya.